a look at these shapes. How many can you recognize? Circle. A circle is a shape that doesn't have any corners or edges. It's perfectly round. You'll see circles all around you, like in a clock, a pizza, or cookies. Rectangle. A rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 shorter sides. All its angles are 90 degrees. Think of a television or your smartphone screen. Can you spot more rectangles around you, like a door or a table? Square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. It's just like a perfect box. You can find squares everywhere, like in the tiles on the floor, the shape of a chessboard game, or even on your computer keyboard. Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. It's the shape you might see on a road sign or the roof of a house. Triangular shapes are easy to spot too. How about a slice of pizza, a traffic sign, or a mountain peak? Oval. An oval is a stretched out circle. It looks a bit like an egg or a rugby ball. You can find ovals in everyday objects like an egg, a rugby ball, or balloon. Octagon. An octagon has 8 sides and 8 corners. It's the shape you often see in stop signs. Octagons pop up in many places, like on stop signs, in a spider's web, or even on the petals of some flowers. Star. A star is a shape with 5 or more points. It can look like the shape of a starfish or the stars we see in the sky. Stars are all around us too. You can find them on a flag, in the sky, or star-shaped cookies also. Semicircle. A semicircle is just half of a circle. It looks like a rainbow or the top part of a dome. Look around and you'll see semicircles in things like a watermelon slice, moon, rainbow, or the curved edge of a stadium. Rhombus. A rhombus has 4 equal sides like a square, but it's tilted on its side, making it look like a diamond. You might find rhombuses in things like traffic warning signs, wall designs, or a kite, a diamond ring, or even a playing card. Pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. It's often associated with the shape of a house or even a star. You might see pentagons in things like the shape of 5-pointed star or even the petals of some flowers on the designs of mirror or soccer ball. Hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. It's the shape you see in a honeycomb. Hexagons are common in nature, like in a honeycomb, a snowflake, or even on wall, floor, or box designs. Now that you know all about these shapes, let's practice recognizing them. How many shapes can you spot in this picture? You did a great job learning about these shapes today. Now, keep an eye out for them as you explore your surroundings. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun lessons. See you in the next one.